आप देख रहे हैं हमारा YouTube चैनल दी सच्चा भारत और आज के इस बुलेटिन में आपका स्वागत है।
Mr. Commissioner sir, Barmal sir and all dignitaries, I think main points are already covered by Mr. Commissioner sir. One or two point I would like to highlight here, since I am a chief coordinator for all private hospital in Mumbai. So I still remember that day one when sir joined the office, and next day early morning 9 o'clock sir called me, and that time I was in bathroom and my son Aram picked up the call and he said, "Papa, Chahal sahab ka phone hai." I said, "What happened?" Then I talked to sir. Sir said, "Gautam, where are you?" I said, "Sir, I'm in house and I'm ready for the hospital." Bola, "No, come to my office. We will go to Nair Hospital. We will go to ICU. We will wear the PP kit. I want to talk to the doctor. I want to talk to the nurses. I want to talk to the ward boy, sweeper, each and every staff. And I want to see what problem they are facing. And then I want to go to the Dharavi and Govandi, and we would like to see. And then I want to go Sion Hospital also to see the mortuary, how dead bodies are they are keeping, and all the things are there." So that way, then I reached the sir office and we went to Nair Hospital. He is the first commissioner, I must say, that he wore the PP kit. He went with me in the ICU. He talked to all the staff, nurses, just to boost up their morale. And he gave his personal mobile number to all the staff, even ward boys. "You keep my cell number. If any problem like traveling, like food, any kind of problem if you are facing, then just give me a call or just WhatsApp me on my personal number." That is what sir was telling to all the people. That kind of leadership he was showing. He said, "I am the person who want to work in the field. I want to give confidence to the people of Mumbai that no need to worry. I am there with you and I want to work and I will work for you." That kind of leadership I have seen in the sir. Second thing, when there was lot of panic in the media, there was no bed in the hospital, private hospital are refusing the bed, and that patients are dying on the road. That time sir called me that we will have a meeting with all the CEOs of the hospital, and I still remember that we had a meeting with Mr. Commissioner sir and the Honorable CM sir, and in that meeting CM sir gave us only one dialogue. I still remember the dialogue, and I keep saying this dialogue, that we don't want charity at this time. We want some sacrifice. मेरा गरीब मरीज मर रहा है, वो सड़क पे जा रहा है, उसको बेड चाहिए, हमको बेड दो. Then all private hospital in Mumbai, I can tell you, all private hospital CEOs said, "Sir, whatever rate you want to keep, whatever rate capping you want to do, we all want to work with the government. We join hands with you." Such a nice stewardship I have seen in that time, that all private hospitals said, whatever commissioner sir said, whatever rate he wants to put, whatever auditor he wants, we are ready, we will work together. I can tell you that time all private hospital Mumbai were having 700 beds and only 74 ICU beds were there. After that, in that meeting, in next 5 to 7 days, within a week only, we started 2600 ward bed with oxygen and 590 ICU bed with more than 400 ventilator also. So that kind of things will happen. After that, sir called, we had a one marathon meeting with sir for the bed allotment, because in spite of that all efforts, there were things that whenever we call in any private hospital or big hospital, then the hospital was saying, "No bed, we have already allotted to one patient." There was a walk-in patient. That all story was going on. Me, sir, our disaster management chief, Mr. Narvekar, additional commissioner, Mr. Suresh Kakani, sir, we were all in the one room and we were discussing how to stop that and what to do. Then sir gave us a new idea. No, we will start ward war room. Everybody was opposing. Sir, ward war room is a very tough thing. It's not possible in city like Mumbai. एक disaster management, एक जगह पे हम लोग 1916 number रखते हैं. We will allot bed that way only. Sir said no. We will start that ward war room, and from ward war room only, patient will get the report. Patient will get news कि उसको positive है या negative है. ward war room से डॉक्टर पेशेंट का हिस्ट्री लेगा, उसके घर पे एम्बुलेंस जाएगा, पेशेंट को बेड अलॉटमेंट भी ward war room से होगा. No private hospital or any other hospital will directly allot the bed. We were still opposing, sir, this is not possible in city like Mumbai, because यहाँ पे काफी VIP patient है, काफी minister pressure है, lot of things are there, and that is not possible कि we will tell them कि no ward war room में phone तो then you will give bed. बोलो no, you still give them bed, but you inform, or your nodal officer should inform to whatever VIP, VVIP come, they all should come to the ward war room. I want not a single bed should be occupied, or not a single bed should be like vacant. and we will say कि asymptomatic patient आ गया या walk-in patient आ गया. I can tell you, Mumbai is the first city where we had this model like ward war room and all. And ward war room, I personally spoke to all the doctors in the ward war room. They were tirelessly working. They are 30 or 40 medical students. They take history from the patient. They go to their house with the ambulance, sanitize their house. They see that if patients are more than 50 or 60 with the comorbidity, they try to get bed, and after that only bed allocation is totally smooth in Mumbai. I can assure you at this time also, if you call in a ward war room or ward war room call you by morning 12 o'clock, between 8 to 12 o'clock, all patients get bed in Mumbai. This is the only city. There are 2-3 things which is very unique about Mumbai. Mumbai is the only city where sir developed ward war room, where you get bed through the ward war room. And second thing, Mumbai is the only city in the world where you don't need prescription for your investigation, for your COVID test. Initially, there were a lot of things. A doctor write prescription, doctor has to see the patients, then only they can write prescription, or without prescription, you cannot do the test. Now, sir said कि no, I don't. We want to chase the virus. आने दो, पॉजिटिव जितना आएगा चलेगा, हमको प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, हमको पेशेंट ठीक करना, हमारी मोर्टेलिटी कंट्रोल करनी, हमको मैक्सिमम पेशेंट को पकड़ेंगे, ठीक करेंगे. So that kind of model sir gave us, and I can tell you that with that time, with the ward war room, I called one of my friend who is with IIT, Namaste Health. They have some app, Namaste Health, and with the ward war room, with the Namaste Health, we developed one dashboard, covidbadmumbai.com. That on that dashboard, we display our nodal officer. All private hospitals are having nodal officer. सारे nodal officers का number we display, and with ward war room and nodal officer, they just coordinate each other. They that allot the bed. If suppose some patient come with a breathing difficulty to any hospital, we adopt one policy: no patient refusal policy. Patient comes to you, you treat patient in your triage area. Triage area should be with oxygen facility. We treat patient in the triage area with the oxygen, and our nodal officer just see on the dashboard covidbadmumbai.com if there is any bed, or then that nodal officer, like in Bombay Hospital, if there is no bed in Bombay Hospital, he will talk to Hinduja or the British Candy Hospital, see on that dashboard, he will talk to that hospital, he will arrange the bed. Patient should not feel कि मुझे इधर भटकना. I can tell you after that only, or when we adopt this system, not a single media report is there. Not a single patient died because of bed is not available. No, आपने इतना टाइम में you will not heard any single news कि मुंबई में पेशेंट को बेड नहीं मिला, पेशेंट मर गया, ये हो गया. So that kind of leadership is there. Still I can say it's a new learning, new thing for everybody, and there is always there new guideline. In last 4-5 months, more than 42,000 patients are treated by the private hospital, and rest all the things are there, that all core team is there. It's a totally teamwork. All healthcare workers like ward boy, mama, mosi, sweeper, khana pahunchane wala, doctors, nurses, resident doctors, nurses, they are the backbone of the hospital. All work so tirelessly because हमारा सेनापति is very strong, राजा is very strong. ये लोग strong तो सब लोग काम करते हैं. That's why. And because of that, Mr. Commissioner says things, all get good confidence that no, we should work. No fatigue, no time, nothing is there. Senapati is there, we have to work, and we are working. Thanks a lot.
और ऐसे ही नए अपडेट पाने के लिए द सच्चा भारत चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. धन्यवाद.